Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to update your WhatsApp Messenger. First of all, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. So you can see I am here in my mobile device. Now I'll go to Play Store and over here on the top search for WhatsApp. And now tap on this WhatsApp Messenger. Over here you can see here is update. Just tap on this update and you can see it's pending. That means my update is being downloaded on my phone. You can see it's downloading and the speed depends on your internet speed as well as your device performance. Now you can see this update is downloaded in my phone. After that it will be automatically installed on your phone. So in this way we can update our WhatsApp Messenger. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.